Hi everyone, Judy here. Welcome to my channel. And finally, I am back with our Bisaya Word of the Week series. A lot of you, I know, are waiting for these lessons. Okay, this video series will run for 4 weeks and it's all about common Bisaya expressions. There are about more than 100 expressions out there, but I will only discuss the most common and popular ones. Alright, so let's get on with our lesson part 1. Number 1, BOANG. BOANG. Okay, it means silly or crazy. Here are some examples. BOANG ka, you're crazy or you're silly. Okay, another one, buanga. Okay, if there's a situation that is kind of silly or ridiculous, we say buanga. Okay. So it's a crazy or silly situation. Next, buanga lagi. Buanga lagi. So it was really crazy. And then we have buang man ka uy. You're crazy. Okay. Man and uy are added to give emphasis. And then next one, buanga good. Buanga good. That was crazy. Ridiculous. To be honest, guys, I really like the word ridiculous. It's like a wizarding word. Anyway, let's proceed. Okay, man, oy, and good are added to give emphasis that doesn't have English equivalent words. Okay, so it's there to give emphasis to the emotions of the speaker. Okay, number 2, mao ba? Mao ba? So it means really. Okay. Sometimes it is used negatively by the locals. It could sometimes mean that what you are saying, they don't really agree. You have to use your senses and listen to the tone. Listen to the tone of the voice. Listen to the tone of the speaker. You can tell whether they are sarcastically agreeing with you or not. Examples. Ah, mau ba? Really? Ah, really? Or another tone is, ah, mau ba? Oh, mau ba? Mau ba? Ah, mau ba? Ah, mau ba? Okay, number 3. Kuan. Very, very popular. Kuan. It can literally mean anything, guys. It can be person, animal, thing, place, action, or an event. Okay, it's like the expression in English, okay. So I will use the definition from the Wiktionary site, which is really, really accurate. Okay. It is used as a placeholder name when the object, person, time, quantity, quality, place, or action being referred to is temporarily forgotten, unknown, irrelevant, deliberately being avoided, or understandable by context to the people involved in the conversation. Roughly used in the same way as English, what's his name? Thingy, somebody, something, somewhere, sometime, so and so, etc. Okay, that definition was from Wiktionary site. Okay, I'll give you some examples. Okay, nakita nimo si Kuan? Have you seen si Kuan is referring to a person, but if you're going to use sa Kuan, it is referring to a place, time, or thing. Okay. Nagkuan na ka? Did you already, Nagkuan means referring to an action word like studying, cooking, sewing, planting, taking a bath, something like that. If you have previous conversation before this, you might already understand what that person is trying to ask. Okay. Let's proceed to number 4. Ambot. Ambot? It means no idea, I don't know, or whatever. Okay, it depends on the tone. Examples. Ay, ambot. Ay, ambot. So it's like whatever, I don't really care. Okay, it doesn't really care much. Ambot ka ha? Ambot kaha. So I don't have any idea. I don't know. Okay, this is used when you are not sure whether a thing, a person is present or not. Okay, number 5. Pag-sure uy. Pag-sure uy. From the English word sure, that means to be definite, to be certain, okay, or to be accurate. Okay, this is used when reacting on something uncertain, new, or unusual. Okay, commonly used by youngsters. We have, for example, we have a bonus this month. A lot would say pag-sure uy, because we know a lot of most bonuses are given in December. Okay, now number 6, char. Char means joke or you kidding. Okay, used when something cheesy going on, for example, being emotional in social media. Okay, for example, if you are very angry or you want to, and then you post something in Facebook like a quote, and then your friend was asking you, what was that all about? Char char rato oy. Char char rato oy. It means that was just nothing. Okay, that was just nothing. Next, another example would be guapa kaayo ko, char. So I'm very beautiful, char. Number 7, atik. Atik means fooling or joking around. It also means not true, like talking big but not really true. Okay, examples. Atik raha, joke only. Ha is a pacifying word just to make the phrase more light and comic, okay, and forgiving. Okay, atik fooling around, okay, just playing around with your friend, for example, and then your friend was like, oh, atik, you're just saying something that is really not true. Okay, atik kubay. Okay, atik kubay, that means, yeah, try fooling me, bye. Okay, so like, for example, you're saying something that you're trying to trick your friend, for example. So this atika ko bay, like, I really don't believe you. Yeah, try fooling me. Okay, the bay there is a common name used among men. Okay, and then for the ladies, the common names that we use, ate, die, inday, die. Okay, so those are the common names. If you're interested to learn about the common names, I am going to leave the video link at the end of this video. I'll put it there so that you can study that one. Okay, that's very important also to really connect with the locals. Okay, number 8, Nindota. Nindota. So it means really nice or good. Okay, Nindota means good, beautiful. So the beautiful here is referring to place or thing. Okay, not person. And then we also have good, beautiful, nice. So you don't say Nindota to a lady because she wouldn't really understand. Okay, when you say something, you're beautiful, you say guapa ka, guapa kay ka. Okay, so you don't say Nindota to her because she wouldn't really understand what you mean. Okay, this is only it only refers to beautiful things, beautiful art, beautiful workmanship. Okay, for example, Nindota, nice, beautiful. Like, for example, you went to the mountains, Nindota. Okay, so you say Nindota. So Nindota good, really beautiful. Okay, Nindota judha. So this one is quite different. Nindota judha, that means make it really good, nice, or beautiful. If you ask somebody to paint something, then you say this, Nindota judha. That means make it really good, make it really beautiful. Okay, number 9, Simbako. Simbako. Simbako uy. Okay, it means God forbid, knock on the wood. So, Simbako uy. Uy there is added for emphasis. Okay, I think you know, guys, how to use God forbid, knock on the wood. Okay, number 10, Sige go. So, Sige go means okay, go, or go ahead. Sige go. Go ahead. Alright, so that's the end of our part 1, Common Bisaya Expressions. So you guys, if you have anything, any suggestions, just leave it down in the comments below because I am trying to collate all the suggestions coming from you guys so that I can cover them next year. Okay, because this one is gonna run for 4 weeks, so that's gonna end on the second week of December. All right, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for being with me, and expect another video for the upcoming 4 weeks. All right, thank you so much for today. Bye bye.